Welcome. Today, we're diving into Pinterest to show you how to reset your notification settings on your PC with the latest updates. If you're finding your Pinterest notifications a bit overwhelming or just want to start fresh, you're in the right place. Let's get started and customize those settings to fit your needs. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side menu for a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and you'll be taken to the settings page. Here, you'll find various options to adjust your Pinterest experience. Next, navigate to the notifications section. This is where you can fine-tune what updates you receive from Pinterest. Now that you're in the notifications area, you can adjust several options. Pinterest offers 3 ways to deliver notifications: push notifications to your smartphone, email notifications, and notifications that appear on desktop Pinterest. If you want to return to the default notification settings, scroll down and click the Reset button. This will undo any changes you've made and restore the original settings. Pinterest will ask you to confirm this step. This is just to make sure you really want to reset everything. Click Confirm to proceed. After confirming, your notification settings will revert to their defaults. You can then customize them again from scratch, turning off the ones you don't need and keeping the ones you find most helpful. You can change notifications on Pinterest itself, which appear while you're using the desktop or app. Then there are email notifications, where you can choose to receive only essential updates or everything. Lastly, push notifications alert you on your computer, all of which you can turn off if you prefer to check manually. For push notifications, you can disable all of them or select specific events you want to be notified about. This ensures you only receive alerts for what truly matters to you. Remember, managing your notifications effectively helps reduce distractions and keeps you focused on what's important. Feel free to explore the different options and personalize your settings to create a better Pinterest experience. And that's it. You've successfully reset your notification settings on Pinterest. Take some time to explore the different options and customize them to match your preferences. This way, you can stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.